Hey guys, I'm okay. I know it's been a week since you heard anything from me, but I had a slight situation today, Monday afternoon, 5 minutes before 5 o'clock, that was out of my control and didn't even know what happened. So, I just want to say one thing. If you see a fire in your neighbor's yard and your neighbor ain't around to babysit it, and it's close to a vehicle, please take the 5 minutes out of your time to go and inform the neighbor, do you know you got a fire? Because you could save somebody's life or somebody's property. So, further ado, let's get this video going. So, well, the garage cleaned up. This is Friday, by the way, guys. Happened Monday afternoon. This side of the bay is just smoke damage. You guys can pretty much see my camera smoke damage too. There's nothing I can do about it. But everything on this side just smoke damage. No real fire. I just gotta figure out what's going on up in there, that loft. But yeah, I got rid of all the rubble out of here. That's the bay that took all the damage. We only got a little bit left now, guys. Main thing is, not a lick on that gas line. Bolts of my fireproof fire retardant doors made it. My bedroom stand. There's smoke damage in here, but there's no major problems. You can see where the fire tried to come in. Got two nasty holes there were burned. Games all stood up test of time. So yeah, room stood. So before I show you all the damage, I just put a random number on the page down below. If you guys want to help me, it's not if you I'm not forcing you. I'm not asking for money. I'm just asking if you want to help. What it's all for is my dad and I, we've decided we're going to going to rip the roof completely off. We're going to put OSB on the inside. We're going to line it first with like a house wrap, but it's fire retardant and moisture wrap first, then throw the plywood up. And then when we have the roof off, we're going to drop fire retardant insulation in the roofing of this. All this wiring has got to be ripped out, all of it. Because the fire damage, they had to go through there to get into the fire damage. Basically the roof is totaled on that side. I'll show you later how bad it is. This room needs all new boarding put up around it. We got to go through all these checks of all these boards. As far as we know, this main bay here is solid. But basically, I lost all my saws. And, well, don't know what else I lost yet. Still haven't got through all that rubbish. I don't even know if the welders work. But basically, all the money's going for the new roofing, new roof, the insulation, the OSB, wiring, the walls. All the walls need to be redone. At least this wall and the wall around it needs to be fixed. Lighting needs to be done. I have no lights left in this garage. So that's all got to be taken care of. Still don't know what state of damage is done over here yet. Windows need to be replaced. Got to fix all the damage on this side from the firemen trying to get in, which I told them they can't get in there, but that's besides the point. I just got to give them kudos. They kept the fire on that bay. Complete loss out here. Yeah, and that's one of my deltas I lost. Yeah, complete loss, guys. This wasn't internal damage. This wasn't an inside fire. This was an outside. Started as an outside fire. Here's what my room looks like. Stood. Yeah, that's where the fire started, right at my dad's car. Somebody lit my dad's car on fire. And that's what sent this all up in flames. And that's where the firemen busted open the wall to get in. You guys see how much support on this side's gone. So yeah, there's about $20,000 now with the inflation of nowadays money. This side's going to need this whole sidewall rebuilt. We're going to board up that bay right there. We won't even have bays. There's going to be a wall standing there now. There's going to be a loss like this one, 6 foot high off the ground, 2x6s, and then a loss as high as this one on this bay. What I'm going to do is from this wall, I'm going to measure 6 foot. Yeah. Do it, yeah, about 6 foot from there. From that wall over 6 foot. That's where we're going to drop the first 4x4 going up. And that's going to be all loss under here. I mean, we lost a lot, but you know what? This shows us what we need to rebuild. Tarp shed shot, so we need a new one for storage. Yeah, this car is shot. See how much damage done to the car. Maybe. That's where the fire was at. Right there is where it blew in at. There. There and there. Those are 2 hot spots. Took that thing, blew it up. And this is where they lit the car up at fire. Here's the rag they used to set the car on fire. Lincoln, this is where they try to start the Lincoln up on fire. I still have my babies. Lincoln's a total loss. Yep. So, all electronics are gone. There's hardly any electronics left. What you see is all this rubble. Aerosol cans, everything. Just basically a pile of rubble now, guys. All computers are gone, everything. But I do gotta give these firemen one thing. They didn't let that tank blow up. And there also notice, yeah. Now, while I'm thinking of this, guys, now you guys wonder what type of fire retardant insulation I'm talking about? Is this stuff. It charred it, but it didn't burn it. And that's all the damage on this wall. So, let me take you on the back half and show you all the junk out here too. Oh, and the dryer made it out. I don't know if it works yet or not, but it made it out. Here's all the carnage. Here. Yeah. A lot of work, guys. But you know, after it's been, what, 4 days since the fire, my dad, mom, and I are all making a joke out of this. Literally. Can't always cry over this. We cry for the first few days. After that, just suck it up. Start rebuilding. That's what we're going to do. I'm just hoping I don't have to tear this whole wall here apart. Hoping I can just band-aid it, but probably just going to tear it down. Probably be easier. But I'll find out when I tear the wall apart from the outside. So yeah, that's what's been going on, guys. How screwed up everything is. So basically our list is OSB 7/16 is 20 bucks a sheet, and we need a lot of OSB to do this garage, and a whole lot of that fire retardant insulation. Yeah, OSB, a lot of that fire retardant insulation. I think that crap's like 40 bucks a roll. All the wiring needs to be redone. I'm not even going to attempt to reuse any of this old wiring. So that's all shot. Got to buy it in bulk, which is not going to be cheap. But other than that, I'm still surviving. Garage is still standing. My mom's truck took a hit. My tractor took a hit out here. This tractor right there took a hit. Mom's truck was in here getting work done. You guys can see how much it's just smoke damage. So smoke and heat damage, so it's going to be some time before I can figure out what's going on with that. Yeah, the other plan is we're going to completely take this wall off. Yep, this whole wall is coming down. So when we bring in a vehicle, we don't have to kick it sideways to get it in here. We just bring it straight ahead. So, further ado, before I end this video, I want to show you guys one last time how good fire retardant insulation is. This could have been a whole lot worse. I can't really get in that room, but you guys see right where the fire tried to enter. So, it stood. My dad and my grandpa both knew how to build this room. Just smoke damage, but ain't gonna be the last time either. Oh, and that's another thing too. And what money I have left over, I'm going to put a sprinkler system in this garage. So if a fire breaks out, I can just turn on the trash pump and start pumping thousands and thousands of gallons of water in this garage. So then after we get it all up to code, then we're going to put insurance on it. We just couldn't get insurance on it because the garage was classified as a dust trap. But it was nothing that I did. It all was from outside, lit the garage up. But I'll tell you what, I have a guardian angel on my shoulder. Could have been a lot worse, guys. A lot worse. Alright, I'll catch you guys later then. Keep the comments nice, clean, and don't be an idiot. I don't want to hear it. Fire had a bad week. Alright, hope you guys stay safe, have fun, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Alright, peace out. And guys, another thing before I let you guys go, I just remembered the other bit of money. You're looking at almost $1,000, about just over $1,000 for one dumpster to come in. So we load all this garbage up, and then let me walk around here. Some of this garbage over here, some of this, and all that. So that's where it'd be $1,000 for one dumpster. We may need to get a second one in, so that'd be close to 2 grand into 2 dumpsters. But hopefully we can load everything up in one dumpster and get it out of here. So if you guys made it this far, check the description and the comments. There will be a GoFundMe page if you feel like helping support to rebuild. If not, it's fine. I mean, it's just going to put things on hold a little bit, but I'm working on trying to get that computer back up and running. Alright, I hope everybody stays safe, and like I said, have a wonderful Thanksgiving, because I don't know when the next time I'll be uploading a video. So hopefully you guys stay safe, and always remember, keep a watch out for fires, definitely when the leaves are dry. Alright, catch you guys later then. Peace out, have fun.